What's good, people? Welcome back to my channel. Today I'll be showing you guys how I make these delicious juicy ribs. If you want to find out, stay tuned. So loves, these are my ribs and I already washed and cleaned them up and cut them. So I'm just going to be putting my ingredients in this and placing them on the fire. So I have ginger, garlic, scratched garlic, green onions, celery, bell peppers, and I don't know how those peppers are called, but if you know, comment right below. I love to be a little bit extra in my cooking and do different things. So I recently found out that if you put this thing on the stove and just like burn it a little bit, it gives your food a whole different taste or flavor. So I decided to do it for my ribs and it was bomb. So I'm gonna be putting everything in the blender and blending everything up nicely. Add a little bit of water to help your ingredients blend smoothly. So guys, I'm going to be pouring all my mixture into the pot and I'll be letting it cook for 35 minutes. Add some white pepper, garlic powder, some salt, and my bouillon powder. You can use this if you don't have Maggi. So I let my meat cook for 35 minutes as I earlier said before, and I'm just going to be putting this in a baking pan to bake for a whole 30 minutes. Feel free to spray your pan with a pan. You don't have to do it, but I just like to do it so my meat won't stick on the pan. This is the second batch. I'm just gonna do this off camera, not to bore you guys. And baking at 40 degrees. Please ignore all the broken nails. I went out bowling with my friends and I came back with 3 nails broken. I still have to fix it. I haven't got time for that yet, but yeah, this is how it looks after baking for 30 minutes. And I'm going to be putting it on broil for 20 minutes. Look at that, juicy and nice. This is the final step and this is how it looked like. Anyone who has tried my ribs can tell you that I make the best ribs ever. Like, I'm not even gonna lie. I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and please make sure you try this recipe out and let me know in the comment section what you think. Do you love ribs or how do you make yours? I would love to know, and I will see you guys on my next video. Bye, loves.